Why did you molest my back?
I didn't molest your back, I rubbed her.
I was trying to eat, and you just go molesting. What?
Okay, let it be Edward. What? You're talking about molesting, John. Get off me! Yeah, talking about molesting. Look at this crap.
Poke.
Totally not molestation. Cheyenne, bite him! Cheyenne, bite him! You
No.
kicked Cheyenne. You kicked Cheyenne.
did not liar.
Cheyenne, bite him! Ow! 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 I got my knee the perfect place. I moved 5 inches. Your manhood's gone. Oh wait, you're already missing. Okay, I'll stop.
You done?
Yes. Talk about molestation. I'm kidding. I'm sorry, Cheyenne. I didn't kick you, girl.
You girl.
Cheyenne's confused. Cheyenne doesn't care. John goes back to walking. I'm just narrating.
Work. Ish.
We need John Constantine, not John.
Cinnamon?
Yeah.
It works 5% of the time.
Put some like gasoline on a piece of paper and light it in a light instantly and throw it down. That's what Bill does.
Well, he don't have eyebrows for a reason.
He has eyebrows.
No, I don't.
He uses oil, not gasoline, but.
Well, yeah. See, that's different. Oil, when it burns on it, it stays quicker because of the thick substance. Gasoline ignites quick.
Okay.
Oil does too, but it doesn't burn. But it doesn't get burned through quickly. It's different.
Ah.
Gasoline burns quickly.
Ah, so it turns basically anything to flash paper.
It and it's gone.
Cool. I'm gonna call these videos John the Rage Kid.
Did you call me what, kid?
John the Rage Adult.
Oh, I thought you said rape kid.
I was gonna say Rage Kid, but I changed it to Rage Adult or Rage Teen.
I'm almost 21 years old. I don't think teenager counts.
Rage Young Adult. Nah, that's too stupid.
You know, I'm gonna sit on you just to see your reaction.
That sounds super weird. No.
No, what?
No, I got you. Maybe pause the video. No. I got it. Unpause.
I don't think it's not.
Okay, good. No. Once again, talking about molestation.
Just tell me. I was just being weird to creep you out.
Help! Help! Oh, Pinchy! Really? Really?
Yeah, really.
Indian bird.
Well, not even a good Indian
You're being
bird.
racist to Josh. If you don't know, our friend Josh is Native American.
We're part Native American too, dum-dum.
Barely. Josh is being racist towards you.
Our great-grandfather was... Well, our great-grandmother was completely Native American. Our dad's a quarter Native American, and so is, and our mom's 1/16 Native American. What are you doing?
Leg muscles are the strongest muscles inside your brain and stomach. And tongue.
Yeah, good for them.
I can't breathe.
Yeah, my arm is stronger.
It's suffocating me, John.
Oh.
There. Get out of here!
What was that for?
For almost killing me!
That was not killing you. You're overreacting.
Over.
Okay, I apologize.